In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your digital second brain in Notion in just 5 minutes. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information you need to keep track of, or if you've been searching for a smarter way to organize your life, a digital second brain might be just what you need. It's a powerful tool to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. Notion is a versatile app that allows you to handle your wiki, documents, and projects all in one place. Its flexibility makes it ideal for building your digital second brain. If you haven't yet created a Notion account, I highly recommend doing so, as it offers significant advantages in managing both personal and professional information. Once you're in the workspace, click on Log In to access your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up. But for existing users, logging in will take you directly to your Notion home. Upon logging in, the key is to utilize the home page effectively. The Notion home serves as a dashboard where you can organize a myriad of tasks, notes, and ideas in a way that's tailored specifically to your needs. Next, navigate to Notion's home screen. This is where you can start to see your ideas come to life. Everything from your to-do lists, goals, and even ongoing projects can be managed from this central hub. It acts as the centerpiece for your data management, helping you to visualize and structure information in a way that's both logical and intuitive. Now, from Notion Home, you'll want to click on a page that you wish to use or set up as your second brain. This could be an existing page or a brand new one. Choosing the right structure is crucial as you want it to reflect your organizational style, be it categories like work, personal, or both. Each page can be customized with different hierarchies, providing you with multiple layers of detail and organization. The next step is to add linked database pages. These are integral to forming connections between different kinds of information. By linking databases, you create a network of pages where data can be cross-referenced without duplication, enhancing data retrieval speed and context. This is where your second brain really begins to shine, enabling quick access and a well-organized flow of information that syncs up seamlessly with your thought process. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've laid the foundation for a digital second brain in Notion. This setup will help you to declutter your mind and gain a clearer picture of your tasks and goals. Make sure to spend some time tweaking and adjusting as you become more familiar with the system, as it's meant to grow and evolve with you.